It's me, and today I'm on Webkins, and I'm gonna be adopting my, signature Persian cats. No, thank you, what? Yes, there's a new Miss Birdie, blah, blah, blah. I hate the new Miss Birdie. I like the old one better. Surprisingly, I like the old one better. Oh my.
To your account? Let's
Ugh.
begin. Enter the
So
secret
ugly.
code that came with your pet.
Okay, let me just pause this. Okay, so it shows my secret code up there, so I have to do this down here now. SXK. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. She's so cute. She's gonna be a girl, and her name is Jenna. I hate this, though, by the way. Next. Okay. It didn't even show me her biography. Oh, please do this. Okay, unbirthday cake dispense. Okay, sorry. Anyway, hold on, guys. Ugh. Okay, Jenna's so cute. Let's go to dining room, which can be her room now. Okay. Let's look for her gift box. Look, she looks so weird online, and she just looks kind of cute. Anyway. So this is a gift box. It's a signature Persian cat gift box. So I got a wish token, a bonus gift box, a green welcome. Okay. And a stately bookshelf. I think her, I don't think it's her PSI, but let's look for her PSI. Oh, her PSI is a fortune teller's table. I'll be trading that. Yeah. I'm gonna trade it. Oh wow, that's stupid. Anyway, I'm gonna be trading it. Yeah. Let's open a gift box. Ugh. I already have two of them. Actually, I think I have one. So her thing, her food is a Candy Caspian caviar. She seems like it. Rainbow guy. If that's an acquired taste, count me in. Okay. So yeah, thanks for watching the adoption of Jenna, and here she is in all angles. She's so cute. Like she's like really silky and stuff. Okay, there should be a golden W right there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.